been sealed.
Inside the vast RAS facility, technicians monitor the spawning tank, ensuring the optimal conditions.
Lower the starboard lift slowly.
Copy that, lift engaging. ROV reports clear depth at sector 4.
As the juvenile bluefin navigate the channel, an ultrasonic scanner verifies their grade. A robotic gate
The school is holding tight. Acclimatization looks successful.
Agreed. Let's log the water temperature.
They're moving to the center, increase the dispersal radius.
Adjusting now, flow rate looks steady.
The automated system ensures precise measurement of the specialized vaccine, crucial for maintaining the PBF-Grade AA quality.
Keep the flow steady on pump 3. Copy that, increasing the flow now.
Copy that, Diver A.
Maintain depth and check the lower seam near the ballast.
As you can see, the marbling metrics are now consistently hitting grade AA.
Confirmed. The 2-year growth projections are fully realized.
Watch the cables. Bring it down slowly.
It's clear on this side.
The data confirms the biological state is healthy. Sustainability protocols are being met for our grade AA products. Confirming grade AA status. The skin surface is flawless.
The oxygen probe is reading stable.
Verified. Water quality parameters are optimal.
The cohort is tracking perfectly with the 2-year projection. Growth is excellent.
The target fat percentage has been achieved. Confirmed PBF-Grade AA.
Alerts. A specialized deep-sea robotic vacuum meticulously cleans the net pens before the final harvest.
Torque reading stable at 200 Newton meters.
Confirming structural integrity. No fatigue detected on the weld.
Hard right on the motor, keep the flow steady.
Right.
Copy that, moving to position 2.
The specialists performed the precise Ike Jime technique, followed immediately by the robotic system, ensuring minimal stress and preserving meat quality.
Lower it slowly, watch the starboard side. Easy now, keep it steady.
Watch the tension on the straps.
It's secure now.
Temperature sensors are stable at near freezing.
Secure the lines, quickly now. Copy that. All lines secured, Captain.
Manifest confirmed. Begin offloading procedures.
Approaching the transfer point now.
Crane is engaged. Hold position.
Sensor reading confirms superb marbling.
Yes, PBF-Grade AA. Log that immediately.
Each massive Pacific Bluefin Tuna loin is placed into a certified vacuum packaging machine. The automated
Manifest confirms PBF-Grade AA. Scanning complete. Confirmed. Ready for loading.
All sustainability certifications checked and logged.
Batch codes match the farm data exactly.
All right, everything is consistent. I'll sign the release.
Looks like the dark meat output is holding steady.
Yes, the yield optimization is working well.
Check the next batch.
Looks good. Keep it moving.
Doors secured and locked.
Chiller activated. Maintaining optimal temperature.
Crates inbound, stage for immediate loading.
Roger that. Cold chain maintained.